So here I am in my ClickFunnels account, and I'm going to click on Add New to create a new funnel. And I'm presented with two options here: Cookbook Builder Process and Classic Funnel Builder. The Cookbook Builder Process, what this means is that if you choose this, you could explore different types of funnels and pre-done funnels and basically find the right funnel for your business. And the other option here is a classic funnel builder, which is just to create a new funnel from scratch. So instead of looking for a pre-done funnel that I could use for my business, I'm just going to create a new funnel from scratch. So I'm going to click on here, create new funnel, and now I get to choose the goal, or they're asking me what my goal is. So my goal here, let's just see the options here: to collect emails, sell a product, host webinar. My goal is mainly to sell a product. I may want to collect emails too, but I'm going to go with this one: sell your product. Okay, now I'm being asked what type of funnel: a sales funnel, which it says here to sell your products after collecting leads with a squeeze page, or a product launch, sell your product in a launch sequence with video pages, or a membership, sell your content with a membership that you can charge for. And I'm going to go with the first one here, sales funnel. Now I'm going to create a name for this funnel, and here it says select group tag. I'm just going to skip that for now and click on build funnel. And there you go. Now, as you can see here, I have the pages for my funnel, and the next step is to choose the templates.